How to add contacts on WhatsApp web. Let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your WhatsApp web. Now go ahead and open a new tab and then type in Chrome Web Store and search for it. Now click on the very first website option, Chrome Web Store, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Chrome Web Store. Once you land to this page, at the top right, you will find the search box. Over there, type in InTouch app and search for it. With that, InTouch app extension will appear. Now you have to click on it. Now click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Once you add this extension to your browser, now you can head towards your WhatsApp web. Now you have to refresh the WhatsApp web page. For that, you have to click on this icon given at the top left. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Now over here, you will find this plus icon. Clicking on it, you will be able to add contacts in your WhatsApp web. But you will need to log into InTouch app. Once you do that, you will be able to add contacts in your WhatsApp web. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily add contacts on WhatsApp web. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.